Hi there, I am Alex Cunningham, and I will walk you through this Squarespace tutorial step by step.
Today, I'm going to show you exactly how to inject custom code into a Squarespace 7.0 website. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know how to add your own HTML, like custom footers, tracking scripts, or widgets, so you can take your site design and functionality to the next level, even if you're not a web developer. Let's get right into it. First things first, head over to Squarespace and log into your account. You want to land on your main dashboard, where you'll see a list of your websites. Go ahead and click on the website you want to customize today. If you manage several sites, just double-check you're in the right one before you make any changes. It's a simple step, but it matters. Custom code changes are specific to each site. Now, once you're inside your website's dashboard, look for the Pages option, which you'll usually find on the left side menu. Click Pages. This lets you manage your site structure, but for our code injection, you don't need to touch any individual page settings. We're working with the whole website. Navigate slightly further down the menu and click on Custom Code. This is where Squarespace lets you really shape your site beyond the basic design tools. Within Custom Code, you should see an option called Code Injection. Click this. If you're wondering why Squarespace separates this out from other editing areas, it's because Code Injection applies to your entire site, meaning you can add things like custom HTML or scripts that show up on every page, whether in the header or the footer. Once you're in Code Injection, you'll see two big text boxes, one for the header and one for the footer. This is exactly where you can paste your custom code, depending on whether you want it to appear at the top or bottom of your pages. Most banners, widgets, or tracking pixels go in the header. Custom footer designs, copyright notes, or script tags for live chat usually go in the footer. If you don't have a specific code ready, don't worry. For this example, let's generate a simple HTML footer code. Open a new tab and jump over to ChatGPT or any HTML generator you trust. Ask it to create a footer for you, maybe something with your site name, copyright info, or even custom links. A tip here, the footer code should be well-formed HTML. If you're unsure, ChatGPT can even double-check or clean up the code for you. Now, copy your generated footer code and head back to Squarespace. Paste it directly into the footer field in the Code Injection editor. Take a moment to make sure you're not overwriting any existing code you want to keep. You can easily add your new code underneath or above what's there. At the top of the screen, you'll find the Save button. Click Save. It could take a second or two. Squarespace is processing your code and updating your site for you. After saving, it's a good idea to preview your site and make sure your new footer appears just like you expected. Open your site in a new tab or use the Squarespace preview. Check every page, since sometimes visibility may depend on your existing site templates. And just like that, you've injected custom code into Squarespace 7.0. Whether you added a branded footer, a script for analytics, or something else, you now have more control over your website's look and features. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and drop any questions or experiences in the comments below. I read those and love helping out. Don't forget to subscribe for more straightforward practical web tutorials that put the power in your hands. Thanks for watching, and happy site building.